Hello?
Hi.
Hi there. You guys still got the Fuego meal, the Takis chicken burger?
No, check on Django, okay.
I can't hear you.
What drink?
I can't hear you.
What drink?
Sprite.
Right, anything else?
And that's it.
Second window.
Alright. Buddy, I couldn't even hear what this guy was saying. You guys leave in the comments, let me know, because I couldn't make out what he's saying. Hopefully you got my order right. Drive-thru's taking a little while, guys. It's a beautiful Sunday. That's the how much is it? 15.35. Yeah, that guys, 15.35. Thank you. Nice cup. Got a Sprite. I like the cup. What do you guys think? Something different, you know. I'm not a big fan of sodas, especially from fast food joints, but you know what? For a review, that's it. Ketchup. Food. Nice bag. Piece of ketchup. Now give me a bag of chips too. Nice. I don't understand. When it comes to Burger King, McDonald's, all of these guys, they never want to give you a ketchup unless you ask for it. Like, come on. Alright, can I get some ketchup, please? Alright, thank you. Alright, we got some ketchup. Alright, guys. So, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be reviewing the Wendy's new collab, Takis. Yes. Fuego. So I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with this brand chips from Mexico, and they have different flavors. I like it. I don't mind it. It's a little bit spicy and whatnot. Basically, it's like corn chips with cayenne pepper and sprinkle all over it. But I find it nice. If you're from Jamaica, you like your chips with a little hint of spice, then you definitely will like it. So anyway, I found it interesting when I saw that Wendy's was doing a collab with them. So I figured, hey, why not try it out? I mean, you know, salute to Wendy's, because right now we have so many competitions when it comes to burgers and just fast food joints on a whole. We have so many new ones. You know, we got Heroes Burgers, Burger King, which is an old school one, McDonald's, but we got new ones. You know, and so I find with if you want to stay relevant, you want to be making money, you're gonna have to come up with new ideas, right? New menu, new collabs, right? I mean, look at Red Lobster. You know, I'm happy they got that young CEO to come in and take over the menu, and seems to be doing good. So, you know, and so when it comes to Wendy's, I'm happy that they're coming up with new ideas, and we're gonna review it. We're gonna keep it honest. We're gonna see if it's worth the collab, if they should change it up, come with another one, and also if Burger King, McDonald's, all these other people, if they're up for some real competitions, because Wendy's, like I said, they come with a new collabs and hoping it hits, and yeah, so let's review it. This is what we're reviewing, so we're gonna see. So by the way, first thing is that I appreciate this fact that they give me a free bag of Takis. So basically, you know, there we go. Alright, so we got their fries. Oh, guys, I'm gonna tell you straight up, the fries already. So that's the color of the fries. So basically what it is, that it's regular fries, and then the seasoning that they put on this is what they put on the fries. So right off the bat, for looks, you know, for creativity, I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Just creativity. I mean, it's fries, so let's see. That cayenne pepper hits the back of the throat.
Bruh.
It's not bad. You know what? They're onto something here. I mean, from the videos, the vlogs I've seen in Mexico, Then putting this kind of seasoning. I think it's cayenne pepper and probably with something else. I see them put on corn and tortillas and all of that, and it's good. It goes well with the fries. So you know what? Out of 10, I'm gonna give it an 8. Kudos to you guys, Wendy's. I like the seasoning that you guys put on it. It's the Takis seasoning that you put on the fries. Kudos to you guys. 8 out of 10. Something different, you know what I mean? Right. Let me show you guys what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. So they're basically seasoned fries. Seasoned fries. Alright. Nice and warm. Nice and warm, so let's try. What would have been really cool is if the package looked like this. I think that would be cool, but whatever. It's all good. So here's a burger. Oh, so here's some of that red cayenne seasoning sauce. I guess they probably mixed it with the mayonnaise. Look at that. Oh yeah. So it's a chicken burger basically with Takis seasoning on it. Oh. So here's a bun, the top part. So it's basically Takis they crushed up, put on there. And they crushed it up and put it also on the chicken burger. Not bad, not bad. Alright. You know what? Let me show you guys more. It is. Not bad. So, here's a burger, chicken sandwich, burger. Alright, let's go. Well, first of all, I'm gonna tell you straight up, it's fresh. Presentation is not bad, it's not sloppy. When I say presentation not bad, because sometimes when you get these fast food burgers, they quickly throw it all together and it's all, you know, slapdash, pickles on one side, tomato and everything's all over the place. With this one, I mean, there's no pickle or any of that, but still, it's not messy. You know, it's not looking bad. I'll give it presentation-wise 8 out of 10. Fresh, like I said. I always enjoy a fresh burger, obviously. It's not bad. I feel like you need something else. I feel like they're onto something here, but maybe a slice of tomato or pickle will probably bring it up another level. Or, I'm not sure if Mexico has like a coleslaw, but if they came with like a coleslaw note to just put on it, just to have that balance between the heat of the cayenne and then the chicken burger, coleslaw with that mayo, I think it would go really good. So not a bad burger, guys. Not a bad collab. Could be better. I think they're onto something here. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 7. Why? I'm gonna give it a 7 because for creativity, for trying something new, you know. But like I said, I think that they could add something else. They're onto something here. Don't get me wrong. Like I said, I like it. It's just that it's lacking something else. It needs something else to just bring it to that next level to say, yeah, this is a good collab. You know what I mean? I mean, even like a nice slice of nice slice of pepper jack cheese. Some kind of. Let me check see if there's any cheese. Like, there's no cheese on this. I think a nice slice of pepper jack cheese would be good on this. Pickle, along with the collab with the Takis. You know what I mean? Like, it's not bad. It's not hot. It's not too spicy. You just need something else, something to balance it out. Because right now, I'm tasting just Takis and the chicken, and it's kind of bland. It's kind of boring.
Bruh.
I mean, like I said, need something else. But overall, I'm giving the experience. Drive through, the fries, the burger, everything. I'm gonna give it a 7.5. Y'all let me know where else you want me to go do a food review. I still need to go hit up Red Lobster for their seafood boil. Stay tuned with that. And yeah, man, you guys leave in the comments if you guys have tried this collab. You know, the Takis and chicken burger collab at Wendy's. Y'all let me know. Let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, man, I think it's nice. It just needs something extra on it. You know, the bun is nice and soft. It's fresh. Can't complain. like I said, it just needs something else just to bring it up another notch to make it like a 8.5 and 9.5. But you know what? Kudos to you guys, Wendy's. Hopefully you guys come up with more collabs, and I'll look forward to doing some review. Anyway, guys, remember like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.